Hello, children. Today we are going to learn about fractions. A fraction is a way to represent a part of a whole. A fraction has two parts. The number above the line is called the numerator. The number below the line is called the denominator. How to read fractions? If the denominator is less than or equal to 10, numerator, read as a cardinal number, 1, 2, 3. Denominator, read as an ordinal number, half, third, fourth, 1/2, 2/3, 5/8, 3/4, 4/7. If the denominator is greater than 10, we usually read the fraction as numerator over denominator, 9 over 20, 15 over 32, 43 over 69, 22 over 127. Types of fractions. Proper fractions. In a proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Improper fractions. In an improper fraction, the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Unit fractions. In a unit fraction, the numerator is always 1. The denominator can be any whole number greater than 1. Mixed numbers. A mixed number is formed by combining a whole number and a proper fraction. Like fractions. Like fractions have the same denominator, but their numerators can be different. Unlike fractions. Fractions that have different denominators are called unlike fractions. Equivalent fractions. Fractions that look different but represent the same value are called equivalent fractions. There are two main methods to find equivalent fractions. Multiplication method. Multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. Division method. Divide the numerator and denominator by the same number, only if both are divisible by that number. Convert a mixed number into an improper fraction. Multiply the whole number by the denominator and add the numerator. Write that answer as the numerator of the improper fraction, keeping the same denominator. Convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. Divide the numerator by the denominator. Take the quotient as the whole number of the mixed number, and the remainder as the numerator of the proper fraction. Keep the same denominator.
The Math Bookstore. Unlock the beauty of mathematics. Step into the Math Bookstore and see the magic behind the math.